Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Google Business Customer Support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is open up a Google web page here like this and then type in Google Business Profile Help and then go ahead and click on enter. Now from here on the top search results from support.google.com, click onto Google Business Profile Help. Then you'll be brought to this page. So from here, what you want to do is to make sure you're logged into the correct Gmail account, Google account as well. So on the top right hand corner, make sure you signed in. Then from there, you want to scroll down and then under where it says need more help, click on contact us. So tell us more and we'll help you out there. So go ahead and click onto that. And then you got the contact us page here. So they'll say, what can we help with? So tell us what we can help with. So for example, how do I change my settings? But what I'm going to put down, I'm just going to say I want to speak to a human here, like so. And then you want to click next. And now choose the best description of this issue. So if one of these match what you're trying to say, or if it doesn't, just go ahead and click on other. So I'm going to click on next step. And then from here, it will say how to chat with customers from your business profile. So I want to click onto the last one here. Is there a live person I can speak to with regarding ... And you can see what other people have spoke to or got answers with. So if that doesn't help you out, just go back. And now from here, going to click onto next step. And step 3 is contact options. So they've only got one option here, which is email. So unfortunately, you can't speak to a live representative here. You can only do via email. And now from here, I'm going to select my issue. So choose which best describes your situation. So I'm going to click on I need support for a different issue. And now for the best and fastest help, you want to put in your name, your relationship to the business, what is your email address, your phone number, business name, address, what is the public URL or maps link for your business page, so jot that in here. What is your business website? You need to put that in here and then describe your issue. So make it as detailed as possible so then you'll get the best support from Google's business customer support. And if you have any related requests, either resolved or outstanding, enter the applicable case IDs here in the field above. So feel free to provide extra information on why you've listed these case IDs as well. Then from here, go ahead and click on submit, and then Google should get back to you as soon as they can. In my experience, it's between a day, so half a day to a day in my experience.